Well, November is National Diabetes Awareness Month, and this morning we are joined by Dr. Brad Lucas with Buckeye Health Plan. He is here to talk with us about taking control of our health and is also offering us tips on how to keep your diabetes in check. So first of all, good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thanks so much for joining us because, I think this is a topic a lot of people want to know about, especially during the pandemic. We saw obviously people with maybe lower immune systems or somebody that's more susceptible to maybe seeing those symptoms, more severe symptoms with COVID-19. So to kind of talk to us about how that's had a big impact.
Yeah, we saw early on, but before we were talking about vaccines or how to manage this, we saw that those who were suffering more and dying with COVID were older and had chronic disease. A number of our members also had diabetes. And as we've seen this pandemic, everything just go on, and the challenges that have followed, folks with diabetes are fragile. There's a lot that you need to do to keep your blood sugars tight and in the range that you need. You need supplies, you need doctor visits, a lot of attention. It's hard for somebody without disease who has normal health to go about their day and manage things the way we used to. And just imagine the challenges that somebody has if they do have diabetes. So certainly be thinking of them.
Yeah, so type 2 diabetes, it's associated with both genetic as well as those lifestyle factors such as obesity, poor diet, lack of physical activity. So maybe what do you suggest for those maybe living with type 2 diabetes or any type of diabetes, especially during the holiday season? It's hard when you have all that food in front of you, especially going to someone's house for those Thanksgiving meals.
Yeah, two things. Be aware that there's a lot of folks out there that have pre-diabetes, meaning that they are on that road to having diabetes, and you don't, if you're there or you're not sure, if you're overweight, if you're relatively sedate, not very active, get in and see your doctor. Find a doctor you like, get in and get tested. If you know you have pre-diabetes or type 1 or type 2, when it comes to these holidays and hopefully there's a lot of wonderful food and family, maybe concentrate more on the healthiest parts of the meal that you're enjoying, with the idea of if something really, really sugary and sweet and delicious looking is going to come along, maybe you're already set and had some of that good healthy food, and you can put a pause or say no to the extra sweet food.
And as far as that physical activity, as we know, it's hard during those winter months to get out, to go to the gym, to just get outside, exercise in any type of way. So what do you suggest for those maybe looking for ways to exercise within their homes, whatever the case may be?
Yeah, do what you can to exercise in your home. I promise you can find books, magazines, on YouTube videos that tell you how to work up a sweat and get your muscles working inside the home. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need a little bit of space. And I promise you, it'll count.
Yeah. And as far as people getting out and about again and going to their doctors and doing the things that they need to do, I know it was kind of almost put on hold for a lot of people. They were nervous to go out. But now that people are maybe getting more comfortable with those visits, calling in, what do you suggest to them from here on out?
Yeah, if certainly if you've not seen your doctor, make your plans to get in this year or the beginning of next and see your doctor. Telehealth visits are much more common. There's many more doctors arranging for this now, and that will count. It's certainly better than nothing. And if your doctor thinks you need to be there in person, that will get you there in person. So my best advice about all this is make plans to see your doctor, get a checkup.
There you go. Well, doctor, we really appreciate you taking the time. If people want more information, where can they go?
Please visit Buckeye Health Plan. We have a wonderful website that can be found by buckeyehealthplan.com that's going to get a lot of information. If you're a member of Buckeye, reach out to us, speak with one of our care managers. They'll offer you a lot of advice and help. All
right. Well, thank you so much for chatting with us today, and we hope you have a great holiday.
Thank you very much.